Hi, how are you students? Today we will see solution or the square root of irrational number for all grade levels from grade 7 up to 11, especially grade 9 and grade 10 students. Let's say the square root of 4, this is not irrational number. This is simply 2 rational number, okay? The square root of 9 is equal to 3. But today we will see irrational number. Let's say the square root of 5 is approximately 2.23. 2.3. How to get this value? Then is 5 is indicated in here. Now, right now in this and this part, two numbers, but the two numbers are the same numbers. So let's say that number is the product of two numbers approximately equal to this radicand number. This number is radicand number, okay? Therefore, let's say 1 and 1. 1 times 1 is 1, which is less than radicand number, but the difference is more gap. It's the other number that is, let's say, 2. 2 and in here 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Is 3. This number is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. It's more than the radicand number. Therefore, the correct number is 2. And then the next step is subtract from 5 to 4. Difference is 5 minus 4 is 1. Point in here and write down this number is doubled, but gap in here and 2 zeros in here. We'll take it this three things. Point in here and this number is write down in doubled form, and this remainder is take it 2 zeros, always 2 zeros. ሁሌ ሁለት ዜሮ እናስቀምጣለን። Next, write down in here a number, but that number is determined by the product of this. Let's say 1 in here, write down in 1 in here, therefore write down in here 1. Then 1 times 41 is almost or approximately or similar to 100 or approximately or near to 100. But 1 times 41 is less than 100, but the gap is very large. Therefore, try it the other number. Let's say 2 and 2 in here. 2 times 42. 2 times 42 is 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 8, 84. Let's say this number is very nice, but try the other number. Let's say this 3. That means 3 times 43 is more or greater than 100. Therefore, the exact value is 2. And find the difference. 84 from 100 is 1/6. And then always after differentiate or get the difference or the quotient, the remainder, always write down 2 0, always. And this number is doubled, the units number. Take care, 2 is doubled, means that the units value 2 in here is 0, the units value is 0 ስለሆነ ነው። Now, then the doubled this 4, therefore 44. In here it has a gap, therefore this gap is write down in number. Let's say 2. The same to that, write down in here 2. That means check it. 2 times 442 is nearest to or equal to 1600. It's true or not? Check it. 442. This 442 is multiplied by this, the last decimal, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 is also 8. Therefore 884. Therefore it has a very gap between 884 and 1600. Therefore the given number is not correct. They try the other value. They say 3 here, and in here 3. That means 3 times 443 is exactly 1600 or near to 1600. Check it and determine the value is true or false. 443, this number is multiplied to the second decimal. That means 3. 3 times 3, 9, and 3. That means 1329. Okay, 1329, which is best. But what shall I do? Try it by other numbers. Change it. This 1300. This 3 is changed by 4, which is 4, and this 3 is deleted and changed by 4. That means 444 multiply 4 is more than or greater than 1600. Therefore the correct value or the correct decimal to decimal value from the point is 3. Therefore root 5, it's enough. Root 5 is approximately 2.23. To one example, the other example, root 7. Let's say root 7. So to try root 7, then the radicand number is 7. Then try the quotient and the divisor. That means let's say 3, and also in here 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Therefore it is not true, because of the product of the two numbers, the divisor and the quotient, is greater than 7. Then change it the value. Let's say 2. 2 times 2 is 4. It's nice. 4. After this, the difference of 4 from 7 is 3. Then the next number is what? In here point, in to 0 always. Then this number is doubled. That means 4. Then it has a gap in here because of write down in number. Therefore, what is the number? That number is determined by the value of the products near to 300. That is for example, let or 5 times 45 is, check it, 45 times 5, 225 is best, but it seems the other indicated value or prior value. That means let's say try it 6. 5 is changed to by 6. 46 is multiplied by 6. 6 times 6, 36. 6, so I have to 3. So this best, which is best 276 is best from what? 225. Therefore the approximately value of square root of 7 is 2.6. Thank you. My name is Mohammed from Mame Maths YouTube. Bye bye.